Hello, here are two of our designs today from class, New York School of Flower Design. This Dutch Flemish cherry blossoms, Gerber daisies. Supposed to look like a bit of a hot mess, a garden left to ramble, based on Dutch Flemish paintings. Wait till those orange lilies open up, those roses open up more, in a pretty little container. Looks like an old painting, a masterpiece from an old painting. A more traditional, I call it Napa Valley design. Elongated centerpiece, more cherry blossoms, hydrangeas, white roses coming out the top for your wedding out at the Mondavi Wine Company. All of them following patterns. This one is length, width, four corners, and nicely spaced accents, which is everything from the hydrangea to the berries, to the magnolia, to the cedar, and the roses. Isn't that pretty? Flowerschool101.com. Keep blooming.